Hare Krishna. My name is Khushi Gupta. I am 18 years old and I am going to recite few verses from Srimad Bhagavatam. Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 2, Chapter 8, Text 4. Shrunvata Shraddhaya Nityam Ghrannata cha Shvachestitam Kalena Natirdirghena Bhagavan Vishate Riddhi. Translation. Persons who hear Srimad Bhagavatam regularly and are always taking the matter very seriously will have the personality of Godhead Sri Krishna manifested in their hearts within a short time. Canto 6, Chapter 2, Text 14. Sanketyam parihasyam va stobham hiranameva va vaikuntha namagrihanam asheshagha haram vidu. One who chants the holy name of the Lord is immediately freed from the reactions of unlimited sins, even if he chants indirectly to indicate something, jokingly, for musical entertainment, or even neglectfully. This is accepted by all the learned scholars of the scriptures. Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 7, Chapter 5, Text 23 and 24. Shri Prahlad Uvacha Shravanam Kirtanam Vishnu Smaranam Padasevanam Archanam Vandanam Dasyam Sakhyam Atmanivedanam Iti Pumsarpita Vishnu Bhaktischainava Kriyeta Bhagavati Adha Tanmanyadhitamuttamam. Prahlad Maharaj said, hearing and chanting about the transcendental holy name, form, qualities, paraphernalia, and pastimes of Lord Vishnu, remembering them, serving the lotus feet of the Lord, offering the Lord respectful worship with 16 types of paraphernalia, offering prayers to the Lords, becoming his servant, considering Lord one's best friend, and surrendering everything unto him. In other words, serving him through body, mind, and words. These 9 processes are accepted as pure devotional service. One who has dedicated his life in the service of Krishna through these 9 processes is understood to be most learned, for he has acquired complete knowledge. Canto 7, Chapter 6, Text 1. Shri Prahlad Uvacha Kaumaram Acharet Pragno Dharman Bhagavataniha Durlabham Manusham Janma Tadapi Adhruvamarthadam. Prahlad Maharaj said, one who is sufficiently intelligent should engage in the service of Lord Krishna from the very beginning of life. In other words, from the tender age of childhood. Because this human form is most rarely achieved, and although temporary like other bodies, it is meaningful. Because in human form of life, we can perform devotional service. Even a slight amount of sincere devotional service can give one complete perfection. Canto 9, Chapter 4, Text 63. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Aham Bhakta Paradhino Hiya Swatantra Iva Dvuja Sadhubhir Grasta Hridayo Bhaktir Bhakta Jana Priyaha. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said to the Brahmanas, I am completely under the control of my devotees. Indeed, I am not at all independent, because my pure devotees are completely devoid of material desires. I live only within the cores of their hearts. What to speak of my devotees? Even the devotees of my devotees are very dear to me. Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 10, Chapter 3, Text 23. Aho bakiyam stankalkutam jigham shayapaya yadapyasadhi lebhe gatim dhatri uchitam tatonyam kam va dayalum sharanam vrajema. Alas, how can I take shelter of the one more merciful than he who granted the position of mother to a she-demon, although she was unfaithful and she prepared deadly poison to be sucked from her breast. Canto 10, Chapter 8, Text 13. Asan varnastrayo yasya grinnato nuyugam tanu shuklo raktas tatha pita idanim krishnatam gataha. Your son Krishna appears as an incarnation in every millennium. In the past, he assumed 3 colors, white, red, and yellow, and now he has appeared in a blackish form in another Dwapar Yuga. He appeared as Lord Ramachandra in a color of a shuka, a parrot, and now all such incarnations have assembled in Krishna. Canto 12, Chapter 3, Text 51. Kaler dosha nidhe rajan asti hi eko mahan guda kirtanadeva krishnasya mukta sanga param vrajet. My dear king, although this Kali Yuga is an ocean of faults, there is still one good quality about this age. Simply by chanting the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, one can be freed from material bondage and be promoted to the transcendental kingdom. Canto 12, Chapter 13, Text 16. Nimnaganam yatha Ganga, Devanam achyuto yatha, Vaishnavanam yatha Shambhu, Puranam idam tataha. Just as Ganges is the greatest of all rivers, Lord Achyuta, supreme among deities, Lord Shambhu or Shiva, the greatest of all Vaishnavas, so Srimad Bhagavatam is greatest of all Puranas. Thank you. Hare Krishna.